Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel and FTGs. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest running videos. So guys, let's start out today's video. Today I'm going to show you a very good platform which platform you can earn use income, and today sadly in my video description you can click that, open the browser, it will bring into the interface. You can see that name is Mark and I'll show you how to create on this platform. So with the risk to watch my full video, first of all you need to register. On this as a simply input your email address, put your password, confirm your password and enter your payment password, and after complete all details simply register button. Your account ready for login. My account ready, so I put my details and click the login option. After I click the login option you can see that all details available here. Simply the details you can see VIP1, VIP2, VIP3, VIP4, VIP1 VIP2 VIP3, 30 VIP4 2000 USDT. You can see the 70%, 18%, 19%, 20% stability. The all the plus icon, and if you deposit 2 USDT you can earn regular $2 easily. After the all details, simply the recharge option. I will show you how to recharge in this platform. Simple copy that to go to their wallet, select here C20 to base that, put the amount how much I'm in this deposit. After the deposit come here back again, you can see the my deposit already in my fund. Simply I also have to complete the tax, and with the simple configuration option you can see the click start configuration. You can see the configuration is running on the configuration is successfully done. I will show you how to do it in your wallet. So simply you can see the status configuration fulfilled done, and I reload the page. After I reload the page you can see the quantity time, one time, and total revenue 2.04, and I will show you how to do it in my simple section. You can see the withdraw option. Simply click the withdraw option. You can add your wallet. So simply go add to your wallet. So simply go to the your wallet, select here C20 network, copy the your tier C20 address, come here and paste your tier C20 address and put your payment password. After you complete the payment password and click the submit option, I put my payment password and I show you. After I put my payment password, simply click the submit option. You can see the successfully done, and I click the back icon. You can see click the back icon. Now select your added address and put your amount 2.04 amount and put your payment password. I mean, put my payment password. After I put my payment password, you can see simply click the confirm withdrawal button. You can see withdrawal are fulfilled, and simply click the back icon and I will show you about this platform. You can see that I have many kind of languages. You can see there are many kind of VIP level. I have VIP1, VIP2, VIP3, VIP4, VIP6, almost VIP9, almost. You can see VIP1 17%, VIP2 18%, VIP3 19%, VIP4 20%, VIP4 21%, VIP6 2%, VIP7 27%, VIP8 24, and VIP9 25. You can see that, and you can see that I have an invitation code link in here. So simply copy the invitation code link and share the social media because you can earn a lot of money by the sharing. And if you invite anyone and he deposit this platform, and you can withdraw without investment invitation commission. So don't miss the invitation. You can see there are a team section. You can see there are A level, B level, C level. You can see the commission percentage, and simply click the home section. You can see there are many kind of languages available: English, Turkish, French, Italian, many kind of languages available. You can choose your personal language, and you can see the interface. And as you can, if you face any kind of problem in here, simply contact the customer service and solve your problem, guys. And so guys, take care until today's video. See you next time another running video. If you're new to my channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for latest running video, guys.